Hello, my name is Ingrid Lenoir, and today's lesson will be on open and closed syllables. Today we are going to learn to read open and closed syllables. When you read syllables, you need to decide to say long or short vowel sound. Closed syllables end with a consonant, which makes it a short vowel sound. An open syllable ends with a vowel and makes the long vowel sound. Let's look at the syllable ma. There is a vowel at the end, so this is an open syllable. The vowel sound is long. The long vowel sound for this letter is long A. Let's try another example, me. Me is a one-syllable word. The single vowel at the end tells us that this is an open syllable. In open syllable, the vowel sound is the same as the name of the letter, or a long sound. Other examples of open syllables are hi, so, he, and go. Closed syllables. Look at the word men. The consonant at the end of the word tells me that this is a closed syllable. In a closed syllable, a consonant closes in the vowel, and the vowel sound is short. I'm going to point to the letter E in men. This letter stands for eh. Here are a few more examples of closed syllables. Hit, sob, hen, got, job. These are examples of open and closed syllables. So this is an open syllable because it ends in a vowel. The E is considered a vowel. Syllables has only one vowel. Open syllables has only one vowel. These are a few other examples. She, so, be, go, he, I, we, fly, sky, high, spy, me. Here's an example of some closed syllables. Okay, closed syllable words are cat, tank, ship, and we know these are closed syllables because they end in consonants. T, K, and P. This right here, this picture is an example of a strategy used to determine if the syllable is an open or closed, and if the vowel sound is long or short. On the first index card, you see the word got. We know this is a closed syllable because the word ends with a syllable, and the vowel sound is short. The next index card, you notice the word high. This is an open syllable because the word ends in a vowel, and it makes the long vowel sound. This word is men. We know this is a closed syllable because it ends in a consonant. Hid. This is a closed syllable because it ends in a consonant, not a vowel. For homework tonight, I would like you to do a word sort. On a separate sheet of paper, you will fold your paper in half and label one column open and the other column closed. You will sort the list of syllables into the correct column. Please return your homework the following day. Thank you. This concludes my presentation.